Well, replacing appliances in your house is a common thing. If you own the house, I'm sure we replace the washers, dryers, refrigerators, stoves, and all that. But if you own a motorhome or an RV, gets a little bit more involved. So we need to replace our washer dryer, and let me show you what's involved and how we did it. So first problem is the door. Okay, how do you get thing in? Well, this door is fairly wide, but still it's pretty tight. Imagine that washer and dryer can walk through. So let me walk you in and couple of things that we had to consider. Excuse the house is a little untidy. It's a laundry day here in our household. So here we are inside our bathroom, and this is where the washer and dryer is. Let's take a look. This is the new unit we just replaced. The old unit was same brand, Splendide. It was 2000 S model. This is 2000. It's a 2200 extra large capacity, which means different thing, but I think it's probably correct. Extra being the outside is pretty much the same. There's only one way to fit this thing in. The measurements are standard, so I suppose the manufacturer has done a little better job creating a little bit space inside the washer and dryer. How did we go about it? Well, I look at the specs, how much water it could take, watts of energy and whatnot, but also important item for me was how much this thing weighed. Come to find out that boxed unit weighs about 160 pounds, which is a lot for one person, so I can't do it. My spouse is active. She's a marathon runner, and if you ever watch the marathon, like the Kenyans up front, you know what I'm talking about. They look like they can't lift that much. They can run fast and all that, but they can't lift squat. So 160 pounds, even 145, the empty unit by itself, it was going to be no go. I had a friend offer to help me out with this, but I still consider, yeah, let's look at what the options are. So the options became this: do it yourself or have someone else do it. There's a fixed cost. The unit itself, one piece washer and dryer, is about $1,600. That's a probably top of the line. Splendid has been around a long time, and it's a kind of known brand. Well, why did we decide to replace it? It was kind of acting funny, and when I found out the age of the old unit, it was about as old as back in the day when this unit was made. I was running Boston marathons and was 20 pounds lighter. So it was like a long time ago. So the option being, you can pay someone, or we could have paid someone $500 to get here or take it to the shop to get estimate, or maybe spend another $700-800 to fix it, and then what do we have? We have old unit. So then we decided to replace it. All said and done, we scratched the idea of doing it ourselves, even though it's not a rocket science. I replaced many washer dryers and dishwashers and those type of things. I've been in rental business, real estate rental, for a while, so I've done many of those. But it was really, for me, it was a weight issue, and I decided to spend $600 in labor cost to have someone else do it. So we ended up going to, this is not a promotional video, I ended up going to the Camping World, just because they're kind of all over the country, and labor was about 2.5 hours. Two big guys did the job. Seemed to work fine. We used it, I think, 3 times in the last 3 weeks, and so far so good. So how you want to do it, what you choose to do it, it's up to you. But one thing to consider, these things are very heavy and clumsy, so unless you can handle that part, we recommend having someone else install it and replace your washer and dryer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us along the road. This unit is about $1,600 plus 2.5 hour labor, plus we bought another 2 years of additional warranty. So about $2,700. Is that a lot or little? I don't know. It's almost a luxury item. My wife still likes doing the laundry in the laundromat. I don't know, it's a social thing, I think. But we have it as a backup here when we can use it. Now we don't have a sewer hookup, so that's why I think she's out doing the laundry in the laundromat, because we just kind of have water and electricity in this campground. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.